So good morning from Lake Jocassee. We're out here with Evans. He was kind enough to have me out today. We have got a full spread out. 6 side planers out, 4 downriggers. And Evans is going to give us a quick overview of how this live optic system works. Hopefully you guys can see this really well. So tell us what we're looking at here, Evans.
Well, right here we're looking at one of our downriggers. This happens to be the one that's running the deepest, and we're seeing a couple things on it. We can see how deep it is, and it's running just about 50 feet, and that's, if you can see the numbers here, there's the plane, and you can go up and down if you want to push out. You can push your live scope out farther, or you can go, that was in and out, or we can go deeper as well. But since we're fishing basically the top 50 feet, you just get more of the picture if you scroll in. And we can see our cannonball, and this one happens to be the downrigger that has our probe on it. That's giving us our speed and temperature at the probe. And you can see back here flashing. It's on top of that line right now, so maybe if I move the line a little bit, you can see that's one of the baits that's fluttering back there on what we call a free slider. And we can also then come and move our probe a little bit where it was pointing to a different downrigger. And now we can see that one is running at about 30 feet, and it's free slider up about the 20 foot.
And we want to see an arch come swim in there and nail one of those.
Yeah, it's pretty cool when we mark fish here, and you can mark fish on the Livescope, and you'll see them, and you can see them following that bait. And when you get something like that, you can use some different techniques, speeding up, slowing down, trying to get that fish to trigger and hit that spoon. And another thing, especially with stockers, is if we ended up dragging a stocker, we would be able to see that as well.
Nice. Well, thanks so much for sharing that with us, Evans. That's quite the tutorial and overview on that electronics there. Stand by. We're going to catch some fish today and show you guys how to run some side planers.